If you're considering the purchase of an Ergosa packer, you're probably wondering, what packing modes do I need? In this short video, I will explain to you what the Ergosa horizontal mode is, how it works, and what benefits it can provide to your case packing process. The Ergosa offers three main packing modes: the horizontal mode, the pick-and-place mode, and the vertical mode. It is one of the only semi-automatic packers that exist to date on the market. By the end of this video, you'll know all about the Ergosa's horizontal mode, what boxes is best suited for, and if it's the right choice for your production. What is the Ergosa's horizontal mode? The Ergosa's horizontal mode is the standard packing mode that is offered in both versions of the series. It features an ergonomic design with a new original packing methodology for handling small to medium-sized straight lines and small 4/6 corners. Instead of hand packing your boxes in small batches that are limited by the hand of capacity of your staff, the Ergosa's horizontal mode allows you to pack a complete row of boxes in one single motion by sliding the boxes into the case. No lifting of the loads is required. It's that simple. This way, you will reduce the number of operators needed while you increase your packing speed, being able to pack over 100,000 boxes per hour. What boxes is the horizontal mode best suited for? The horizontal mode allows multi-row, multi-layer packing without any limitations or restrictions to the number of rows and layers you're packing. It is mainly intended for two types of boxes: straight line boxes and 4/6 corners. The horizontal mode was primarily designed for straight line boxes, as it allows you to dramatically reduce the manual workload required, enhance the ergonomy, and substantially boost your packing speed. Therefore, in most cases, the horizontal mode requires a box turner to prepare the orientation of the box without requiring the packing staff to perform this operation. This facilitates better handling of the boxes, reduces cycle time, and increases your productivity. Although the vertical mode is the preferred method for 4/6 corner boxes, the horizontal mode can also run small 4/6 corners. To learn about the dimensions of boxes and cases that can be processed under the horizontal mode, check the article below where you will find a detailed list with all the specs. Is the Ergosa's horizontal mode right for you? The Ergosa's horizontal mode is right for you if you produce small to medium straight lines or small 4/6 corners, or if your company is implementing organizational efforts to improve the ergonomics of your operators' workstations and reduce repetitive strain injuries. The Ergosa's horizontal mode is not right for you if you don't produce any straight lines or 4/6 corners, you do bending or strapping, or if you produce large or heavy straight lines or 4/6 corners too. Then the vertical mode would be a better choice for you. Finally, if you produce crash lock boxes, then the vertical or pick and place mode will be the right fit for you. If you have questions that are specific to your company, or you want to see the Ergosa live in action, we're happy to help. Reach out to us today. I hope this video helped you better understand the horizontal mode. Thanks for watching and see you next time.